Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my chicken. So what I have here is some legs, some wings, and some thighs. And I have my plastic bag. That's where I put all my skin and everything. So it's easy. I just let it tight and then put it in the trash. It's clean up a breeze. So first of all, see like this? You see all the fat in here? All that? I would sometimes, if I can get my fingers and I take this right off. If not, I'll use my scissors and I would cut it off right like that. See all that fat? Too much fat. Cut it off right like that. Just grab it. See, like all in here, I just hold my scissors like this. And I pull it up, get all that fat out. Now this piece right here, you go right like this, and you put this right up. Now with the leg, I will go like this, pull some of that skin out. I'm actually going to leave the part of the skin on this. Then you have this piece here. I remember growing up in Trinidad, my grandparents and parents used to put this over the stove and burn that, whatever that piece is called there. But what I do now, I just cut it off. Now this little fatty piece in here, go like that, and you cut this off. Then you clean it up. Now with the wing, not really a lot of cleaning to do in the wing. Like cutting out this little piece right here, you dip right there. Now you can use your knife and you can cut it down into. You can use your knife to do this also. So now I'm just going to run through all this and clean it up. Okay, so I'm finished cleaning. See, this is my trash bag. Here I have all that nasty stuff. So you see if it wasn't clean. Look at all that. I don't know if you can see inside there, but that's all that stuff. I'm just going to hold this like this. Put it right here. So now I'm just going to turn this water on, because I just need a little bit of water in there. And I'm just going to rinse these out like so. Try not to let it splash too much. I won't have a lot of cleaning to do. Get it out right here. Garbage. Like so. Now I'm going to give it another rinse. If you notice, I left some skin on a few of them, because I'm going to be probably making a different type of recipe, you know. Okay, I need some paper towel so I can turn my forehead off. I don't have a paper towel right now, so I'll just use this. Turn my forehead off, and now I'm going to squeeze this. I have some lemons and some limes. going to take these out. Now I have a fresh lime. Just going to squeeze it. Already have my, I'm going to add some salt in here now and some vinegar. I already have my stuff out because I don't like using my same dirty gloves on the, you know, on my container of salt or my bottle of vinegar. So I normally pour it out before I start cutting up the chicken. So this way I don't contaminate my salt container or my vinegar container. I'm just going to add some salt in here. Clean this up. So not too much. I'm going to open the faucet and add some water. This is cold water. Now we're going to add some vinegar in here. So I'm going to let it sit. We're going to let it sit now in the salt and lemon, lime, sorry, and vinegar. Now we're actually going to season. We're actually going to season the chicken now. Chicken is nice and clean. Everything is nice and clean. And all I do now, I just bring everything together like so. Not every recipe or what every dish you will have to use this type of seasoning in your chicken. You know, sometimes if you want to make like a lemon chicken or something like that, you can use a dry rub. I have a really good dry rub seasoning. Dry rub green seasoning actually. So I'm just gonna season this up. Make sure everything is nice and coated with the seasoning. Make sure you get everything, you know, like all in here. I'm gonna let this sit for about maybe an hour, half an hour. This is perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Put this into a smaller bowl. Refrigerate until I'm ready for cooking. I may cook this another day, probably not today, so I'm just gonna put it in the Ziploc bag and I'll put it in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna freeze it, I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator. So I may cook it tomorrow. Right in there. Pour it around right in there. Try to get everything out. Okay. Rinse my hand, zip this up. Leave this ready. I know we have to do our cleaning. First, I'm going to give this a nice rinse. Nice rinse. I already have some of my dish liquid in here. I pour some in here. And I have my bleach. So I pour some right in here. That's bleach. But first, let me put all my rags in here. I have to tie this bag. Remember the bag from all the chicken waste? I'm going to tie it like this. And it goes right into my trash can. No cleanup. Right into my trash can. Now everything that I use, I'm going to just pour some hot water in here. Turn it on hot. Perfect. Put some hot water in there. And on everything I use, I put it right in there. I'm going to let it sit in here for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and wash everything out. Now I have these, I took my gloves off because those are already contaminated with the chicken, and I have these disposable sponges. now I just have to wash. This I'll probably put in the trash. This I'll probably put in the trash. You know why I'm washing it. My cutting board. I don't really use the cutting board much, but you like to bleach it out, yeah? And once I bleach and I rinse these out like this, I'm gonna actually put them in the I'm gonna run them in the dishwasher. So all of these I'm gonna run in the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, after this you can rinse and put probably like a tablespoon of bleach. Let it sit in the rinse water for about 5-10 minutes. Any bacteria and germs in there, you're going to kill it from. Any bacteria you get from the chicken, it's going to be killed. All these goes into the dishwasher. Turn this off. I know I use this and I clean the sink. Let me just put these in the dishwasher. So now just going to clean the sink off. Clean the counter off. Just going to add a little more bleach. There you go. A little more soap. Okay. Now this one will be thrown away, garbage. Then I use another one. I put some more bleach in it with some soap. That's when I clean the faucet, because I was handling it. When I clean up all the faucet and the countertop. So everything's perfect. You can buy disposable rags as well, or you can use paper towels. I use all of them. Whatever I have on hand, that's what I use. But these I always have because I buy these in bulk. They're very cheap too. So it's like $1 for about 15 or something like that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Everything's nice and clean. You don't smell anything like chicken in here. Everything smells nice and bleachy. Okay, trash. And I'm done. See you guys later. Bye.